Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the 2025 AMC Javelin. This car is a modern reinvention of a classic American muscle car, and we're going to dive into everything it has to offer, from its bold exterior to its exciting performance and cutting-edge interior. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Cut to exterior shots of the car driving on a scenic road. Exterior design. Voiceover as footage of the car driving plays. First up, the exterior. The 2025 Javelin blends the aggressive, muscle car looks of the original with sleek, modern design elements. The front end showcases an iconic, bold grille paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a striking presence on the road. The wide, muscular fenders and sculpted hood emphasize its performance-oriented DNA, while the rear features those signature tail lamps with a modern twist. Cut to a close-up of the front grille and headlights. Up front, the grille is more pronounced than ever, with a matte black finish for that performance edge. The lower lip adds to its aggressive stance, while the wide air intakes help with cooling. And those LED headlights, they not only look futuristic but also provide excellent visibility at night. Cut to side shots of the car with a view of the wheels. From the side, you'll notice the sculpted lines running along the body. It's got that muscle car silhouette, but with a more refined, contemporary twist. The 20-inch wheels are a perfect match, giving the car a planted, sporty look. And don't forget about the rear spoilers, subtle, but just enough to remind you this car means business. Cut to rear shots of the car showing the tail lights and exhaust tips. At the rear, the dual exhaust tips and those signature tail lights are a nod to the original Javelin, but with a high-tech, modern upgrade. It's a combination of nostalgia and innovation that works perfectly. Interior design. Cut to inside shots of the car with the host sitting in the driver's seat. Host inside the car. Now, let's take a look inside the 2025 Javelin. You'll immediately notice how the cabin is a perfect mix of retro style and modern luxury. AMC has really nailed the balance between the classic feel and the latest technology. Cut to close-ups of the dashboard, center console, and digital screens. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. The steering wheel has that classic muscle car feel, but it's wrapped in premium leather with all the modern controls at your fingertips. The centerpiece, a massive 12-inch digital display that serves as both the instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Cut to the seating and ambient lighting. The seats are comfortable, featuring premium leather upholstery with bold stitching. And let's not forget the ambient lighting throughout the cabin, which can be customized to your preference, adding a touch of class to this performance-driven interior. Cut to the back seats and cargo area. Despite being a muscle car, the 2025 Javelin doesn't forget about practicality. The back seats provide ample room for passengers, and the trunk is surprisingly spacious for this type of car, making it a great option for weekend road trips or just carrying your gear. Performance. Cut to the car on a winding road, accelerating, and handling turns. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The 2025 AMC Javelin is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a punchy 475 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. This car means serious business. Cut to action shots of the car accelerating and handling tight corners. Whether you're gunning it on the highway or taking sharp corners on a back road, the Javelin delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The advanced suspension system keeps things tight and responsive, while the 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts. And yes, it still has that unmistakable muscle car growl, which is music to any enthusiast's ears. Cut to shots of the car braking and showcasing handling. Let's not forget about the brakes. These are high-performance Brembo units that offer precise stopping power. Combine that with a limited slip differential, and you've got a car that's just as capable on the track as it is on the street. Cut to the car cruising at high speed on a highway. And with the selectable drive modes, you can tailor the driving experience to your mood, whether you want a smooth, comfortable cruise or an aggressive, track-ready setup. Conclusion. Cut back to the host standing next to the car, with the sunset in the background. Host. So, there you have it, the 2025 AMC Javelin. A car that combines the best of both worlds, the raw, thrilling performance of the past, with all the creature comforts and technology of the present. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or a modern driving aficionado, this car has something for everyone. Cut to shots of the car from different angles. Host continuing. With its bold design, powerful engine, and a perfect balance of luxury and performance, the 2025 Javelin is definitely a standout in today's muscle car market. It's a worthy successor to the iconic Javelin, and we can't wait to see how it performs out on the road. Cut to the host smiling at the camera. Host, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the 2025 AMC Javelin in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Until next time, take care and drive safe. Outro music plays, and screen fades to black with the channel logo and subscribe button. End of video script.